Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you to download Imo app in your device. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet. Imo is a popular messaging app that is used for audio and video calling. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your app store, here I go. At the top you can see that search bar, type there Imo. Here you can see that Imo app has appeared. Now you have to tap on that right corner on that arrow showing downwards. Now it is in the process to be downloaded to your device. Wait for a few seconds. After some time, it will be downloaded to your phone and you can easily open and use this app. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.